Leadership at its core is about influencing others towards a common goal. It's not about wielding authority or dictating orders. True leadership inspires, motivates, and empowers individuals to reach their full potential. Effective leaders act as guides, supporting and encouraging their team members to achieve collective success. Think of a conductor leading an orchestra. Each musician plays a unique instrument, contributing to the harmonious symphony. The conductor doesn't play every instrument but guides and directs, ensuring everyone is in sync and working towards a shared vision. Similarly, effective leaders orchestrate the talents and skills of their team members. They set a clear direction, provide the necessary resources, and foster a positive environment where everyone feels valued and inspired to contribute their best. Leadership is about making a difference by positively impacting the lives of others. Great leaders possess certain key traits that set them apart. Visionary thinking enables them to see beyond the present, envisioning a compelling future and inspiring others to work towards it. Integrity forms the bedrock of trust, ensuring their actions align with their words and values. Empathy allows leaders to connect with their team members on a deeper level, understanding their perspectives, motivations, and concerns. This fosters a culture of mutual respect and support. Finally, resilience equips leaders to navigate challenges and setbacks with unwavering determination. Just as a mountain climber relies on these qualities to reach the summit, effective leaders lean on vision, integrity, empathy, and resilience to overcome obstacles and guide their teams towards success. These traits are not inherent, but can be cultivated and strengthened through conscious effort and practice.